Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram confirmation code not sending. To start, open your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are now in the settings application, scroll down this time, then select apps. Once you are now under apps, use the search bar, then search for Instagram. Over at Instagram, you're going to be selecting storage. Once you are now in storage, select Clear Cache. For now, go back, select Force Stop, then click OK. Now go back to storage, then tap on Clear Cache. Once you are done, you can now close your settings application. After closing settings application, open your Google Play Store. In here, search for Instagram. Select Instagram this time and then just update the application. Once done updating, that should all be good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.